Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader, and it's Tuesday, August 17th. These are the charts of the day. Starting with MTech Systems, ASYS, alphabetically as usual. You'll see that the stock has stair-stepped its way, broken out here, pulled back in a little flag, and broke out again. Yesterday, followed through today, got a new multi-month rally high, reaching, actually breaking out across key resistance going back 2.5 years, and next target, as you can see, it would be at the late 07 highs around 17 and a half, 3/4. China Agritech had a big day today, it's been featured quite a few times in the last couple of weeks, but you'll see why. We broke out here, we backed off, held support, popped to resistance and backed off, and today we popped once more, $1.62 or 10.6%. As volume surged, I believe the stock's breaking at a major base and could be up towards the $24, $23.5, $24 target on an intermediate basis, but short-term target at about 19.5, 20. We'll be setting it. Call, CALL. This stock is looking quite dynamic with a big pop here and a wedge, a coil or so that broke out, and now it's been consolidating after pulling back and testing the previous high. It bounced yesterday, had an inside day today on low volume. Looks like the stock could explode if it gets to 30, 40. Short-term target 35, intermediate target at 40, 42. CGA also had a significant session, jumping 96 cents or almost 9% on nearly 1 million shares. That's the second heaviest volume in the last 6 weeks. Today's action brought it out across its lateral price resistance and the neckline of what looks like a head and shoulders bottom. We have a target around 13, 13.25 short-term, and secondary target around 14.5. Cut. After double bottoming and spiking at the end of last week, the stock reached resistance and backed off. Had a quiet day yesterday, and today popped 22 cents. Reached a high around 665, which was the prior high, and so watch for a potential breakout above this lateral price resistance. If that occurs, I'll look for a run to take this up towards the 7.5, 8 zone. Let's call it 7.75, 8. Secondary target up about 8.85. IDT Corp continues to act well and it's getting a nice consolidation for the last 4 weeks on low volume. Jumped 71 cents today and is now pressing the top of this pattern. If we do get a breakout, a test of 1970 should be quickly forthcoming, and then a reach up towards my trading target at 22.5 will be potentially next. That's what I'll set as our target. Jinko Solar has been in a very, very strong move since just after its listing. The strong trend started here early July at around the $12 range. It's moved steadily. Another 223 today, broke it out of this 5-day flag. Looks like it has momentum and could reach the $25 level, my short-term trading target, 29.30, more of an intermediate target. LGL Group had a significant price volume surge for this stock, broke out of a 2.5-month consolidation range as volume picked up and had a big gap, up 346 or 27.6% today. Volume is low. This is a thin one, but it has the potential to be a runner, and I'll set a target up around the 25 level intermediate, 20, 21 short term. Nano popped out of its little bull flag I've been talking about for the last couple of days. Volume picked up. The stock reached 14.10, right at that 14.06 December high, and backed off late in the session to close up 338 on the day. Still up 80 cents. Bit of a disappointment in terms of the way it closed, but still with strong surge in technicals, I believe the stock makes it over 14 to my short-term trading target in a 16-17 zone. Radcom, another thin one, but a very potentially powerful looking pattern. Jumped 49 cents or 6.7% today and broke out of a week-and-a-half long flag. Now it should have room to run. Short-term trading target at 9.5, 10. Intermediate target at 12. And lastly for today is RINO, which may be coming out of an important base pattern. Notice today's surge, 1.8 million shares up 79 cents or 5.3%, but it may be coming out across the key resistance line. If it does, I expect a quick move towards 17, but my trading target is at 19, intermediate target at 24. That's it for today. There's some terrific long ideas for you going forward. Good luck.